What if apps that are published outside of the App Store can profit from in-app purchases as well? Because the current flow that most apps do it is they have to sell license keys. Like you can see here on the left side, you click a button, you get redirected to a website, you need to buy a license key, you get an email with the license key, you have to copy and paste the license key into the app. It is cumbersome, it is not good for conversion, it's not good for users, it creates support requests, and the experience of purchasing an app right inside the app is way nicer. But doing that requires a lot of backend work. And so I thought this morning, what if this could be just done in Amore with the Amore SDK? So I built a little prototype, and I'm super excited to show it to you now. So we have the Pomodoro app, which is the example app that I use for all Amore demos. And you can see it has a license key field, and I could now just paste my license key in there if I already have one. But I also see there is a buy button. So I can click that, and you can see it opens an in-app purchase window. I can also continue doing this in browser, because right now the problem is that this window doesn't support Apple Pay, which of course would be super cool. So for that, you still need to open a browser, but credit card just works fine. So if I enter my details here, please don't steal my credit card information. Correct. And I hit pay. This whole flow is way simpler because now you can see the app is already activated. Of course, you can then also show the user like a success screen, but we can see the app is licensed. Like we bought the license now. That license is automatically activated, and it's licensed to the email address that we put here. And at the same time, of course, we still send a success email with the licensing key to the customer, so they can store that somewhere safe and re-enter it into the project. So it doesn't get rid of license keys. It just makes the whole process way easier because the user doesn't have to think about it if they just want to purchase the app like this. And I wanted to make it super simple to integrate that into any app. So there's already the Amore Kit SDK of Amore, and I thought it could be cool to have different ways of implementing that into your app. So right now this was just a SwiftUI modifier. So you can see we just have to select the product. We have to pass in the licensing object from Amore, and we just have to say like we want to show this or we don't want to show this. And from there, the Amore SDK is taking care of everything yourself. So it's really not a lot of code you have to add, but you have beautiful in-app purchases that you can build into any app and get started with it really quickly. So yeah, I'm super excited about that. I would love to get feedback if you want to see something like this in an app that you are building. Hit me up. And yeah, this is going to land in AmoreCat pretty soon.